Hello. Today I'm gonna go to a friend. He has a Mk2 Golf Rallye, and he got a lot of knowledge about these cars, about old Volkswagens, both. What the fuck is going on here? Both Mk1 and Mk2 and Mk3, and so I'm gonna have a look to see how the stock brake system for the rear is on the Rallye. He probably has some tips on how I can make my the rear brake lines and restrictors and things, and hopefully gonna be able to shoot some B-roll footage of at least one of his cars. Let's go. Now is the next day. I am editing the video, the B-roll footage and stuff. And since I didn't speak about it in yesterday's, when I filmed yesterday, I just wanted to, since I did, well, hello. The solution I'm going for now is to, the solution I'm going for is to use, and this is only to make it as easy as possible for myself. I'm going to use brake regulator restrictor thing from Mk1 Scirocco. This is a piece you mount on the master cylinder. It looks like a splicing thing for pipes, for brake pipes. Yeah, you mount it on the brake master cylinder for the output which is going to the rear, and it's far from the best solution for a track car, but this is to keep it to not spend all the money I have on things that I can do cheaper and then I can upgrade later. Of course I want a pedal box or all the fancy stuff, but that has to come at a later time. So yeah, if you want to follow Björn Tore on Instagram, this is his Instagram, and I'm also gonna leave a link to his Instagram in the description, because he has a lot of cool cars and really cool projects. So I would recommend, if you like cool cars, you should follow him. And also you can follow me on Instagram. There's a link in the description, and I'll see you next time. Bye.